Welcome to the Hyundai RN22 concept car. This is basically a precursor or development vehicle to the upcoming IONIQ 6N production car that will hit the market in the next year or so. It's fully electric, featuring a 430 kilowatt twin motor setup like what is seen in the Kia EV6 GT. However, we've heard N could be planning even more power for the eventual showroom model of this. Obviously, the RN22e is set up for track driving. Check out the crazy aero features, for example, including the massive rear wing. We suspect this won't make it to production. However, some components, such as these 400mm front brakes, are apparently very similar to what will feature on the showroom model. These are enveloped by a set of 20-inch wheels, wrapped in 275/35 front and 285/35 rear Pirelli P0 Corsa tyres, at least on this prototype. Take a look inside and you'll see it is quite bare. Just 2 racing bucket seats and harness belts exist, with a part dashboard for the vital information. There's also a full roll cage system, so the engineers can get stuck right into some very hard testing on the track. We were lucky enough to take this one-off multi-million-dollar concept vehicle for a test drive on the track, mainly to see how the development progress is shaping up. On first impressions, all we can say is, there is definitely hope for track driving enthusiasts even in the world of electric vehicles. This offers hardcore handling and braking like a proper track car, and some interesting new sounds and driving characteristics. Above all though, it's lots of fun and very interactive to drive. Although we were not able to perform our usual 0 to 100 tests for you, here's a quick demonstration of how it goes around a track. Off we go?
Yeah.
Oh, just twist it forward. Yeah.
This way.
Good sound, I like the sound.
Yeah.
back, yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. So yeah, I saw you control very well. Yeah.
I think the stability control's still on a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Little bit.
But not too much. Yeah.
Because it lets you slip out a bit, but yeah, it's good control,
Yeah.
easy to control.
Yeah. Yeah. You control well. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
Thanks you very much.
Yeah. Thank you.